Performing regular basic maintenance on your truck will ensure maximum uptime and a long, productive life. Maintenance should be performed daily during your walk-around of the vehicle. Engine oil should always be at the proper level. Use the dipstick and ensure the level is within the indicated marks. Engine coolant level should also be checked. Never check the coolant level with the engine hot. Inspect the power steering system for the proper level of fluid and to check for any leaks. Inspect the engine belts to make sure there is no damage or fraying. Finally, check the washer fluid. This is important to ensure a clear and unobstructed view, particularly in poor weather conditions. After closing the hood, secure the latches and take the opportunity to check they provide a secure lockdown and tight closure. Release the latch for the fairing to gain access to the battery box and fuel and DEF tanks. Check the condition of the battery and alternator cables. Make sure all clamps and straps are present and in good working order. Check the battery housings for cracks or leakage. Drain the moisture from the supply and service air tanks by pulling the line connected to the air ejection valve. Pull until the air comes out free of any moisture. Start by checking underneath the vehicle for the signs of fluid leaks. Look for any cracked or damaged exterior lamps. Next, check the air intakes to ensure they are clear of obstructions. Clean and adjust windows and mirrors. Check the tires, wheels, and hubs for physical damage. Look for loose or missing fasteners on the suspension components, paying particular attention to springs for cracks, gouges, and bulges or chafing. Finally, examine the steps and grab handle for debris and a secure attachment. Inspect the windshield and wipers for cracks or tears. Check the seat belts and restraints in the sleeper for visible wear and for proper functioning. Ensure no loose objects are on the cab floor. Check the condition of the sleeper air conditioning filter and keep the floor area behind the passenger seat free of debris and pet hair to ensure proper functioning of the system. Check the horn. Finally, adjust the seat and steering column to achieve the safest, most comfortable driving position. Before starting your drive, perform the exterior lighting system test. When you start the engine, allow the system to perform the systems check and pay attention to any warnings or notifications. If equipped, your truck's tire pressure monitoring system monitors individual tire pressures. The display will show the following: tire outline, tire pressure not available; gray, proper; amber, high or low pressure; red, very high or very low pressure, or high temperature. The TPMS is one of the systems included in the daily systems check and will be performed automatically upon engine start.